In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Hafsa Ghaffar, your SST teacher from Divisional Public School, Chicha, Wadni. I hope all my sweet students are doing well in this very difficult time. Dear students, online lectures has incorporated video lectures and detailed simulations, helping students to develop conceptual understanding of the educational concepts. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Chapter number 1, Physical State of the Earth. It's our lecture number 3. Now I am going to start discussion on today's topic. Today's topic is faults and the types of faults. Big cracks or clefts in the Earth's crust are known as faults because of these cracks. Lithosphere is divided into big and small parts. These parts are moving continuously because there are molten rocks beneath them. Due to the motion of tectonic plates, the cracks have extended hundreds of miles deep. These cracks form the boundaries between tectonic plates. These cracks are seen in the form of centers of volcanoes and earthquakes. Pacific Plate is surrounded by volcanoes. Most of the earthquakes occur in this area because it is surrounded by cracks. Therefore, it is also known as ring of fire. Usually, the faults are formed in weak area. The area where a fault forms is known as fault zone. The crack present in fault zone is called fault line. Following are the types of faults. Number 1, normal faults. Number 2, transform faults. And number 3 is reverse fault. Dear students, now I am going to explain about the different types of faults. Number 1 is normal faults. As you know, in normal fault, parts of the crust move in opposite direction. Normal faults form when the hanging wall drops down in relation to the foot wall. Extensional forces, those that pull the plates apart, and gravity are the forces that create normal faults. They are most common at divergent boundaries. These faults are normal because they follow the gravitational pull of the fault plane, not because they are the most common type. The Sierra Nevada of California and the East African Rift are two examples of normal faults. Number 2 is transform fault. When pieces of plates move forward and backward, they rub against each other. Such type of faults is called transform faults. Number 3 is reverse fault. Reverse fault occur when plates move towards each other. Dear students, reverse faults form when the hanging wall moves up. The forces creating reverse faults are compressional, pushing the sides together. They are common at convergent boundaries. Together, normal and reverse faults are called dip-slip faults because the movement on them occurs along the dip direction, either down or up, respectively. Reverse faults create some of the world's highest mountain chains, including the Himalaya Mountains and the Rocky Mountains. Dear students, today we are discussing about the different types of faults. We discussed there are 3 types of faults: normal faults, transform faults, and last one is reverse fault. Now I am going to tell you about major plate faults in Pakistan. In Pakistan, 2 major plates unite. These plates are moving towards each other. Fault line is present in Pakistan, which passes through the center of Pakistan. This line separates Eurasian plate from Indian plate. Therefore, This region is an important center